Alright, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to take this rear set off of this Grom. I had a little incident yesterday and you have to get it off and either get another one or have that one welded until my other ones come in. I ordered some Z&Z like stunt style rear sets, so they're going to take a couple weeks to come in, so let's go ahead and get to work on it. Here's the get the tools we're going to need and get started. Should be everything. Alright, first thing we're going to do is probably take this heat shield off. Then we got to take this bolt, well this nut, and I think that's it. Take that off, pull it out a little bit, and then there's a brake like slave cylinder or something right here that we need to take off. It's got two 8mm bolts on it, and then it should come off. So let's get started. These bolts here are a whatever this is, 12. So let's go get that one out. There's one. And then we need this little guy, which has a nut on the back of it. So we'll grab this wrench, throw that on there. Sick. Let's switch to this non-wobbly right here. I'm gonna take the exhaust shield off. And, oh yeah, and this brake spring right here has got to come off. It kind of catches on, well, it clips onto the rear set. So just take some needle nose, pull up on it, take that off. Got a little wire thing right here. Squeeze the clips in, push it out. And then we gotta take this nut off, and that is the swing arm bolt. It actually goes all the way through the swing arm. So when you put this back on, you're probably really supposed to use a new nut, but I'm not gonna. And definitely want to torque that. If that comes off, you're gonna have a bad day. And I don't usually torque stuff, but I didn't torque it last time I took it off. But you should torque it. You gotta grab the other side of it and hold it while you do it. Sure would be nice to have some power tools right now. Get that out of there. And it should pull out now. Yep. So pull it out a little bit and get access to these 8mm nuts or 8mm bolts back here. Crack those loose. I'm gonna grab a socket. Oh my God. Oh shit. I got the ratchet stuck. Of course it did. Go back in a little bit. It won't just come out anymore. Oh yeah, because of this. There. So that's what the back side of that looks like. It looks a little complicated, but it's really not. You just got your brake master right here. I guess it's, I don't know what that's called on bikes, but you got that little guy right there. It's got a couple lines going to it. You don't want to crack these lines off because then you got to bleed your brakes. So just pull this little pin out right here with this little cotter key and use whatever means necessary to straighten it so you can get it out of there. See that? A little bitty baby cotter pin. And then this will come out. And then this should come off there. Like that. And we got this little guy, which is your switch, it looks like, for the tail light, I guess. So oh, that'll just pull out if I take this spring off. So take that spring off there, let that dangle. That spring, take it off. And to get this brake lever off, you actually need C-clip pliers. I don't have any, so if I do end up getting this welded, I don't really need to take that off there. And I wouldn't recommend welding it, but I don't want to wait to ride for 3 weeks. And for whatever reason, right side rear sets are hard to come by on a Grom. As far as like used, like you can get them brand new from Honda, which is probably what I'll have to end up doing if I can't find anybody to weld this. But even that takes about a half a week to come in. It's always best to put your nuts back when you can, nuts and bolts. That way you know where everything went. Makes it a little easier. These went, well, I'll know where those go. They thread into the back of the rear set, but I don't want to put them in there because I don't want them falling out, getting lost while I'm transporting it around. That back in there. This back in here. Sick. And then this little guy goes like that, and then this little cotter pin goes in here. Like that. Alright, it's ready for a new rear set. It sets like this, and then this little piece right here goes like that. So in order to weld this, I've got to find somebody that knows how to weld aluminum, and obviously has like a TIG welder or something, which I don't know anybody right off the top of my head, but we'll see what we can do. That's it for tonight. Gotta see about getting this welded, hopefully tomorrow, and then we'll put it back on there.